Okay, good morning. Here we are in front of DHL here in Taipei, and now we are going inside to collect some items, urgent items for a customer. So this is how Facco support our customer. We have urgent items in the airport. Now we are giving them, taking and bringing to the customer directly within today. Okay, here we are. So here we are, parts is there, we reached the farm, and now we are going to give the parts to the customer, and we will install also as well, because the DOC is arriving tomorrow in that shed, okay? So the pullets is coming, and we need to start the parts, and to set up the system as well. Okay, so here's the part, Facco spare part, original spare parts, and we are giving to the customer.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.